Hey y'all, it's Seymour. Welcome back to my channel. I am currently putting on shoes so I can run to the beauty supply store. I need to do my hair. I have a little trip this weekend and I'm tired of my hair and it needs to be washed. So I'm going to the beauty supply store. I'm gonna look at some cheap bundles because I think I'm gonna do a quick weave or a quick weave wig. It's gonna be my first quick weave. Don't hurt me, don't hurt me. I've never done a quick weave before, but there's a first time for everything and we're gonna try it today. So let's go to the beauty supply store. Okay, so we're back from our errands and now I think I'm gonna start by marking off my dome cap so that I can have like a rough estimate of how many tracks to put on and if I need to make the cap smaller. I have my hair in 4 braids right now, so I'm gonna do it while I have the braids in and then I'm gonna take the braids out and wash my hair. Yeah. So I'm thinking to leave out just a little bit. I'm gonna try the small cap first. Yep, I think that'll give me exactly what I need. Cause I kind of want to make a half wig with the hot glue. Like do a flip over, quick weave, that's the goal. Don't mind my hair, I'm about to wash it. But I've got almost done with my wig and I need another pack of hair. I literally need, let me show y'all. I just need this to finish this piece up here, but she's full. Yeah, look at that. So I'm about to wash my hair. About to wash my hair and put it in some twists, put it in like the little drying towel, and then go back to the beauty supply store and get some hair. I literally need 1 bundle, but I only got 2 packs, so I use 6 bundles. I need 1 more. I just got done blow drying and braiding down my hair. Now I'm about to thread my needles so I can sew the half wig I made yesterday down. But yeah, let me show y'all the braid pattern. An anchor braid going around the perimeter of my head and 4 large braids in the center. The hair that's in the front is going to be my leave out. So I'm not prepared. I have needles, but I don't have thread. So I'm gonna bobby pin. I'm gonna bobby pin this wig on my head until it's secure enough for me to go like through the motion of today. But right now I'm about to straighten my leave out and wine curl it to match the texture of the hair. Always on, girl. I got my hot comb on 30, which is like the highest setting. I have my flat irons on 410, which is the highest setting on there too. The reason I'm using the highest setting is because I have very coarse 4C hair, even though it's blow dried, and I only want to do like 1 or 2 passes. Cause I'm gonna show y'all my little link check I did. I'll pop it up here. Your girl is getting some inches. So yeah, we're trying to save that, save the edges. Team save the edges. So, ooh. Let's chop this up into 2 parts. It's funny that like I'm into hair, cause my grandma, I don't remember her of course, cause she died when I was like a baby. I think, when I was young. But like, she used to do hair. So I'm like, are your passions or talents, are they hereditary? That's really interesting. I mean, like, from a psychological standpoint, she did hair. She did people's president photos. And the story around the way that she was the best at it, period. If there's a hereditary component to your talents or your interests. I'm blowing this like I can blow the actual steam off. Inches? Look. I love it. I just have to, well, not just, but I have to shape it up some more. I'll pin that out the way. I really need another pin, but whatever. And I have like the bobby pins. So we just gonna pin this perimeter. I'm about to throw in these one curls. I have my Fantasia Icy Spritz. I don't know what it is. You know, this and Pump It Up. Pump It Up smells better, but something about the brown bottle just does it for me. I'm curling, going backwards. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it here. And I don't have to keep it on there long because I have really thin pieces. Look at that. Look how that blends. Look at it. I like it. I think it's cute. Now I know my hair is gonna revert back, so we just gonna pin this thing down. We ain't even gonna play them games. Love y'all.